Error code 2000 in Apex Legends signifies a server timeout issue, where the game server fails to respond to your connection request within a specific time frame, usually 30 to 60 seconds. This isn't typically a problem on your end, but rather a server-side connectivity issue. It often occurs during peak hours, seasonal updates, or tournaments due to overloaded matchmaking queues, network congestion, or even potential DDoS attacks on Respawn's servers. Players experience this as a connection lost message, disrupting matches and ranked play. Respawn Entertainment has implemented several patches and server optimizations, including a major infrastructure overhaul in May 2025 and ongoing server expansions, particularly in Asia Pacific and Europe, to reduce these occurrences. Despite these efforts, the error persists during server maintenance or unexpected outages. While error code 2000 is primarily a server-side issue, there are a few things players can try. Restarting the game and your internet connection is the first step. Some players have found success by switching their DNS server to a public option like Google's 8.88.8. Keep an eye on Apex Legends' official social media channels and Respawn's Twitter for updates on server status. The trend shows a decrease in these errors due to Respawn's adoption of cloud-based servers. Looking ahead, Respawn aims for near-zero timeouts by 2026 through AI-driven load balancing. The broader gaming industry is also exploring decentralized servers as a solution for similar issues, with experts predicting a significant reduction in server timeouts by 2027 with the wider adoption of 5G technology.